back.
I don't know. You want to check me? Search me real quick. It may feel intoxicated.
Get your leg in the car.
You feel some type of way because my leg ain't in the car? I ain't even did shit. I'll piss in your face. Oh, I couldn't hold it.
Okay.
And I pissed in it. You want to taste me?
No.
Do it.
Stay in the blue box.
I like it kinky.
Stay in the blue box, Grace.
Don't.
Stay in the blue box. Step back.
You can touch me.
Step back.
The incident happened near Cleveland, Ohio, USA. On the afternoon of April 3, 2023, a patrol officer stopped a Buick SUV. The vehicle speeded through the green light before colliding into another vehicle. The car had also been flagged in the police's license plate recognition system because the owner had multiple felony warrants.
Stop! Don't get out! I'm asking you questions, you answer.
Okay, and I will answer. Why'd you get on me like that?
26 headquarters, it's a female. Alright, step out.
A white
Step out.
female.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Why did you take off like that?
I'm sorry.
Were you drinking or something?
No.
The car was driven by 20-year-old Grace. However, she was not the owner. The police then handcuffed Grace and prepared to put her in the patrol car.
Can you stop pulling me like that?
Nope. Do you have anything in your pockets?
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah?
I don't know. You want to check me? Search me real quick. It may feel intoxicated.
Alright, stop. Sitting there.
No, you don't want to stop.
Are you on something right now?
No. I just came from dinner with my trick.
How much you have to drink there?
2 doubles.
2 doubles of what?
Patron.
Okay. So you are drunk.
And I'm going to keep it a buck with you.
Where's the owner of that vehicle?
I don't know.
Who's...
I just bought it. I need to talk to you.
What?
Don't hit me with a what.
What do you need?
Don't try me because I used to be a paramedic.
Okay.
Don't hit me with a what you need.
Okay, what do you...
Because I know that you want to listen to more than what I got.
What is
You
your
want a
name?
drug bust.
What's that?
You want a drug bust. Don't you?
Do you have drugs in the car?
I don't.
Okay,
And
alright.
you want to check it?
What is your name? Stay in the
Grace.
car. Stay in the car.
Okay, I understand.
Get in the car.
Okay.
Get your leg in the car.
Listen, handsome man.
Get your leg in the car.
You feel some type of way because my leg ain't in the car?
Get your foot in the car. Just stop. What is your name?
Grace.
Grace what? Alright, I'm gonna get your driver's license out of your purse, okay?
You can do that.
Alright, put your foot in the car.
Do I have to?
Yes, put your foot in the car.
Why you gotta be so demanding? Why?
She just rear-ended that car at 30371. This was the flock camera hit. I thought he was taking off from me.
The officer then spoke with the colleagues who had just arrived. The flock camera you mentioned is the police's automatic license plate recognition system, which includes cameras installed throughout the city. When a vehicle passes by, these cameras take pictures of the license plate and match the information in the database, helping the police quickly locate the suspicious vehicle.
Hey, guess what? You're a bouncer that works in my club because I'm a stripper.
At Christie's?
Right? No.
Where's that?
What do you mean what the
Where is it? Like, where's the
What do you mean where is it? You know.
I
Don't play dumb with me. I ain't that dumb.
Okay,
Don't play me like that.
okay,
It's downtown.
okay. That's fine.
So at least 7 different officers want to report me as I'm because I want to sleep with them because I work there.
Okay.
Next, the police officer checked Grace's information on the computer and asked her if she agreed to a breath test. However, the girl became uncooperative, hitting the car door hard and demanding to get out of the vehicle.
Alright, what do you
No,
what
I
do you
don't
want?
believe you.
What do you want?
I don't believe you.
For what?
I don't believe you at all.
For what?
Because of you.
Okay.
No, it doesn't. No, hold on.
Hold on. Don't get out of the car.
I'm not getting out of the car.
Okay.
I'm telling you.
Okay.
You don't know what the you're dealing with.
Okay.
You don't.
Okay.
No, not okay. Okay. You don't. You don't know what you're dealing with. You don't know how many girls have been captured to take to Atlanta. No,
You're in the
because
car
you don't
right now.
trust me.
Okay. Grace, stay in.
No,
Stay in.
you don't trust me.
Stay in the car. Come on.
You don't trust me.
Stay in the car.
You don't trust me.
Go ahead, pull it.
Get in the car.
You don't trust me.
It's possible that because they suspected the girl was drunk, the police officer didn't pay attention to what she was saying. Shortly after, an unrelated woman appeared at the scene. She claimed that she had found her way there by tracking Grace's mobile phone.
So,
How are you?
good.
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
Okay.
You're
Well-
lost. You're looking for something.
No, I'm not lost.
Uh-huh.
Well, I see my friend had left the family function
Uh-huh.
and that she was in this area.
Uh-huh.
Her name is Gracie.
Is this chick?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
She is
going to jail.
Yeah.
hammered
Yeah,
drunk.
Going to jail.
She hit a car.
She hit a car.
Yes, she got into a motor vehicle accident, and then she spit on one of us,
Oh,
which is
God.
assault on a police officer.
Because I know she had left a while ago and I was kind of concerned on why
Okay.
she was still in the area. I know she was headed to work, but
Okay.
She is okay. She did not get hurt.
Okay.
She's okay. I don't think the other person got hurt either, did they?
No injuries,
But
but
she's going to be going to Medina County Jail. If you could tell her loved ones that would be
okay.
great.
do you know where she lives? Current address?
No, I don't know her current address.
In
No,
Cleveland?
I don't know her current
Okay.
address.
I'm sorry, what's the relation to her?
My friend.
She's just your
Just a
friend.
friend.
How long has she been in town for? You're a friend, you know her.
Why does that matter?
Is there anything else you need from us?
No.
Okay.
The strange woman left the scene immediately afterward, while the police got into the car to take Grace back to the police station.
So you like your job?
Yeah, it's not bad. You like your job?
It's not bad.
Yeah.
Did you get paid? I ain't even did shit. I'll piss in your face. Only if you like it though. You wouldn't let me go.
Alright. Step out.
No, you wouldn't let me go. I couldn't hold it.
Okay.
And I pissed in it.
After seeing Grace wet her entire jeans in the car, the police officer remained very calm. Perhaps it was because the police don't have to clean the patrol car themselves?
I couldn't hold it.
Door 22, please.
What's your name? Logan? You look like a Logan.
No.
You gonna let me keep pissing?
No, come on.
I don't want to piss through your
Come on.
Okay. Shit. Alright.
Hold on. Door 23.
Here.
Just stay in that blue box.
Whatever. Can I take it off?
No, leave it on.
And I am.
Leave it on. Grace, just stop. I'm gonna get a female back here.
Well, get it.
Just stay there.
No,
Just stay there.
I want to take them off.
Okay.
I don't want to be in my pants. You wouldn't try me.
Stay
I
in the
wouldn't.
blue box.
No, hold on.
Stay in the blue box.
You want to taste me?
No.
Do it.
Stay in the
I
blue
like
box.
It. I like it kinky.
Stay in the blue box, Grace.
Don't.
Stay in the blue box. Step back.
You can touch
Step
me.
back.
You touch me.
Grace had just been in a car accident, so the police officer waited for a colleague to take her to the hospital for a checkup. However, she was uncooperative and refused to get into the patrol car.
Watch out for all that. You're right.
You trying to put me in
Grace,
Mexico?
quiet and get in the car.
You're trying to put me in New Mexico?
No, we're not.
You're trying to put me in
Don't
New
kick.
Mexico.
Don't kick. Don't
You're-
kick.
you're
Don't
trying
kick.
to- I don't want to be in Mexico. Sorry, but you all don't look at me.
Did she take us to Mexico?
Finally, Grace was taken to the hospital for a checkup and discharged shortly after. She was charged with drunk driving, speeding, obstructing an officer, and assaulting a police officer. After the body camera footage was released, the online community expressed concern. They believed that what she said might not be entirely meaningless and could actually relate to some criminal activities. What are your thoughts on this event? Let's discuss below.